you all are doing really well. And welcome back to our channel, the E3. I'm Upashna from the education team, and today I'm going to teach you a lesson in geography on the topic India, its size, and its location. To begin with, I would like to give you all a clear view of a few terms that we will be discussing later in this video. So, there are some lines which we draw on Earth, which doesn't exist in reality, but we only imagine them to understand a few concepts. Such a line is called the equator. The equator divides the Earth into two equal halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Apart from this line, there are other lines which are drawn on the entire Earth. These lines are horizontal as well as vertical. The horizontal lines are known as latitudes and the vertical lines are known as longitudes. The angle of the equator is 0 degree. As we move towards the pole, that is the North Pole and the South Pole, then the angle increases. Now we are ready to discuss about the location of India. Well, India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere, and the mainland of India is between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Above the equator lies the Tropic of Cancer. This divides India into almost two equal halves. In the southeast of the mainland of India lies the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands, which is in the Bay of Bengal, and on the southwest part of the mainland lies the Lakshadweep Island, which is located in the Arabian Sea. Now, we will move on to discuss the size of India. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometers, which is huge, and thus it accounts 2.4% of the total geographical area of the entire world, making it the seventh largest country in the world. With a land boundary of 15,200 kilometers and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands, is 7,516.6 kilometers. Can having such a huge area a problem to our country? We will see. If we mathematically calculate the difference between the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of India, it comes around 30 degrees. Still, the north-south extremity is bigger than the east-west extremity. And due to this difference of 30 degrees, there is a time lag of 2 hours between the easternmost part of the country, that is Arunachal Pradesh, and the westernmost part of the country, that is Gujarat. So, to avoid such complications, 82 degrees 30 minute east has been selected as the standard meridian of India, which passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh and is taken as the standard time for the entire country. Being the seventh largest country in this world brings plenty of advantages to India. Firstly, it is the southward extension of the Asian continent, which means it has a strategic central location in the world market, which means it has a central location between the East Asia and the West Asia. Also, the transocean routes of India connects India to the European countries in the west. We can notice that the Deccan Plateau extends into the Indian Ocean, which helps it to establish contacts with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast, and Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. Also, no other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. Thus, it justifies the fact that the ocean is named after it. Well, India's relation with the world market has been continued since ages. But in the early times, the relationships grew strong through land routes rather than marine routes. The passes through the mountains in the north plays a great contribution in the exchange of ideas like that of Upanishads, the stories of Panchatantra, epics like Ramayana and the Mahabharata, also the Indian numeral system and the decimal system, and the exchange of other commodities like spices, muslin, and other merchandise shows its position in the world market. Vice versa, the influence of Greek sculpture and the other architectural styles from the West Asia can be seen in different parts of our country even today. Now, it's time to know our neighbors more closely. So, India shares great geographical and historical link with its neighbors. It mainly has seven neighboring countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. Pakistan and Afghanistan lies on the northwest of India. China, Nepal, and Bhutan lies in the north. Myanmar and Bangladesh lies in the east, and to the south are our neighbors across the sea, the two island countries, Maldives and Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is separated from India through a narrow channel of sea formed by the Bok Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, and Maldives lies in the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. And here we end our video. I hope I made these concepts easier for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you have liked this video or have any doubts regarding this in the comment section. Bye bye.